Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make ham and Swiss sliders, and they are so delicious. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, so first I'm going to show you the ingredients you're going to need are Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, onion powder, Worcestershire sauce, however you say that, poppy seeds, and Hawaiian king rolls, ham, and Swiss cheese. Alright, so we're going to start by setting the oven. We're going to preheat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I just take a little bit of tin foil and I put it on the bottom of the pan, which makes it super easy for cleanup afterwards. And I'm actually going to be saving some of the leftovers, so you will get to see how easy it is if you just use tin foil on the bottom of your pan. Alright, and then I'm just going to use a little bit of cooking spray, and that way it doesn't stick to the bottom. And then I'm going to open up my Hawaiian rolls and cut them down the center. Alright, and now I'm just going to put on the bottom layer of the bread, I'm going to put some light mayo, and then I'm going to put ham, the deli sliced ham, and then Swiss cheese. Next, in a bowl, you're going to whisk together half a cup of melted butter, and then you're going to do 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and then 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. It's easier just to take the top off here. And then you're going to do 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then you're going to mix it all together, and then I like to just paint mine on the top, like using the little painting tool or whatever it's called, like just rubbing the sauce on the top and getting it nice and covered. And then you're going to put tin foil on the top and let it sit for 10 minutes before putting it in the oven. And then once you put it in the oven, it's only got to bake for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. And then you want to pull it out and take off the tin foil and put it back in for another few minutes before it's finished. Alright, and then on this particular night, we decided to do pastaroni, the Parmesan cheese angel hair pasta, and that comes in the box. It's super easy, but you could do whatever side you wanted. You could do corn on the cob, or beans, or any kind of vegetables. A lot of different things go good with this meal, so we love to cook it often and just kind of switch up what sides we cook with it. So as you can see, this meal is super easy and delicious, and everybody that we know loves it. This is one of those meals that we like to make a lot of times if we're asked to bring a dish like for a potluck or something like that, just because it's so quick, easy, and it always gets eaten all the way up. And for all the leftovers, I just take it, wrap it up in the tin foil, and then I'll put it in a Ziploc bag, and then we can have it for lunch, or if we want to have it for dinner the next day, we can do that as well. And it makes cleanup so easy. Alright y'all, so that's it for this recipe. Make sure that you give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this or any video suggestions you have in the comments below. And make sure that you're following us on Instagram. I like to share pictures and Insta stories of things that we're doing daily, so you can check out our family there. Also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss any of my future videos. Bye, y'all. Is it good? What are you gonna do? Boom! Are you eating my cookie? You better put that thing down. I can't believe you stole my cookie. You took the whole jar? How many cookies did you get? How many did Kason get? Why? Why did he get another cookie?
Don't tell him.
Because you teased him earlier. He's so funny.